Yeah, so in my case, it was mostly for post-surgery recovery. But even before that, I was not satisfied with my athleticism, and I will also get injured very frequently, like small injuries, like muscle injuries, and this kind of things. And so that's why I decided to start working with you after learning about fascia and realizing that this is really something that makes a lot of sense. And yeah, that's how I decided to get to work with you.
Right. And your background is in regenerative medicine.
Yeah, exactly. Regenerative medicine and stem cells is something that I study a lot. Yeah.
Got it. So when you first learned about fascia, did you know that it can help you try to make the body more efficient, more optimal, and recover better, or it was through this training that you start to understand?
No, at first I had no idea at first. It's really something that I've discovered with you. But in a way, I always had the idea that there is something more to just muscle training. And you can just see it like in every sport, you can see, the skinny athletes that is just more explosive than everyone else. So I didn't know about it. I found out about it with you, but I always had the idea that there was something missing in sports training.
At what week did you start to see, oh, this is really working and my body is changing?
Yeah. So first, I would say the whole process was unlike never seen I've done before. And the exercises from the outside, it looks like nothing. But when you understand the hyperarch fascia mechanism, and when you understand, then it becomes something completely different. So it's really something I've never experienced before. So to me, because I was post-surgery and I was recovering from this, I think I was relatively slow in my progress. The two milestones I've had, I would say, was around week 5, where I slowly started feeling a bit of hamstrings.
Mm-hmm.
And then just this week, so that's week 12, really starting to feel the glutes a lot. And I also could see the difference it made in my football.
Got it. And talk about the elevated talk rows. Like, what did you feel on week 1, and what do you feel now?
Well, it's simple because week 1 I could only feel the foot, a little bit of calf, but mostly the foot. And right now it's much more balanced. So I still feel the foot and the calf a little bit, but also now I feel the glute.
You,
Feel
you
good
can
contraction.
you can
Yeah.
feel the glutes now, so that's really good. In your own words, if you were to explain this training to a 5-year-old, how would you explain it?
It's a good question. It's because it's so different than anything else. I would say with this type of training, the one thing, and I don't know, I'm not sure why a 5-year-old could understand this, but it's basically you have to understand that it's really holistic. So it's not only you work one muscle or you work one body part, not only you're working the whole body, because like sometimes we do things with the foot and then you feel it in the glutes or in the abs. So not only you work the whole body, but you also work your nervous system. It's like your brain and your mind has to work as well. You have to focus. If you lose focus for just a few seconds, then the exercise will lose its quality. So it's really completely holistic, like the whole body and the whole system of the human body, not only the muscles, but also the nervous system, of course, the fascia and everything that is included.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's a beautiful answer. Thank you.
Yep.